Hi there and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name is Bafo. In today's lesson, as promised in our third lesson when looking at the marker na as verb to be in English and Nigerian Pidgin English, the possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and object pronouns were mentioned briefly. Let's look at them today in a broader way. We will kick off with the possessive adjective. A possessive adjective in English as well as Nigerian Pidgin English is usually used to describe a noun, and it comes before it. First, let us look at how they are written in both languages. My. Your. His. Him. Her. Ha. Our. Your. Una. Their. Knowing these equivalent in Nigerian Pidgin English, you can come up with your own sentences. For example, my sister tall. My sister is tall. My sister no tall. My sister is not tall. My sister they tall. Is my sister tall? Let's look at another example with our. Our house dey far. Our house is far. Our house no dey far. Our house dey far. Now, let's look at possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is simply used instead of a noun. The written form in Nigerian Pidgin English is quite different because the introduction of the possessive marker own is being introduced. Check out the table. Mine, my own. Yours, your own. His, his own. Hers, her own. Ours, our own, or we own. Ours is kind of written in two different ways. You can use the one you prefer. You can say our own, or you can say we own. That's fine, but majority of the people say our own. Yours, una own. Theirs, their own. Now let's give some examples with them. The white shirt, na my own. The white shirt no be my own. The white shirt na my own. If you have not seen the first lesson and you are here, it will be advisable to go and check it out so as to know how to use the marker na and be in sentences like we have in these examples. Now let us look at more examples with the possessive pronouns. Your computer na Mac. My own na PC. Wetin be my own na your own, my friend. The dog na their own. The pikin na una own. no be our own. Finally, let's look at object pronouns. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that is normally used as a grammatical object, either as the direct or indirect object of the verb, or as the object of a preposition. These pronouns always take the object case, whether they are indirect objects, pronouns, or direct object pronouns. Let's look at how they are written in both languages before we cite examples with sentences. Me, me. You, you. Him, him. She, her. Us, us. You, una. Them, them. Examples. I like you, but you no like me. E be like say you no want talk to them. You really want marry her? Them love to sit near him. She dey always write email to us. E dey talk to them about the wahala. Hey guys, this is where we call it a day on breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. Should you have any question on this topic that we've just treated today, please feel free and drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to them. In our next lesson, we'll look at some more grammar tenses. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked right here on Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Bafo. See you in the next lesson. Bye.